Hi there. Thanks for joining today's flight. I'm the Marco Island Eagle Eye, and I search far and wide to find you the best real estate deals and provide you with an in-depth look within our favorite communities and our best value properties. So hop on board, fasten your seatbelt, and enjoy your destination. For long, expansive views from Rookery Bay to the Marco River, down the Gulf, and all the way to the 10,000 Islands, look no further than the Hammock Bay Golf and Country Club. Tucked away off Collier Boulevard, just north of Marco Island, follow the palm trees on Mainsail Drive until you reach the private entrance to Hammock Bay Golf and Country Club. Continue on through the gate and you can't miss Hammock Bay's luxury towers. From left to right, we have Aversana, Lucina, and Serrano. Today's focus will be Aversana, the first tower to be completed in 2004. This luxurious, low-density tower is home to just 113 residences, spread out over 21 floors. There's 6 units on each level, ranging from 2,300 square foot 2-bedroom 2.5 bath units up to 2,800 square foot 3-bedroom 3.5 bath unit. Each floor plan extends from the front of the building to the rear, meaning every unit has northwest views towards Rookery Bay, as well as southwest views towards the 10,000 Islands. The top floor is home to 3 massive penthouse units, 2 5,000 square foot 4-bedroom 4.5 bath units on each end, with a 5,500 square foot 5-bedroom 5.5 bath unit in the middle. For more information on floor plans, visit aversana.com. Head up the brick paver driveway and you'll find the owner's garage entrance to the left, where each unit has 2 spaces and secure storage. The courtyard embodies elegance and convenience, with its portico entrance and dual guest parking lots. Through the secure front entrance, enter the lobby to find a professionally decorated seating area. Secure private elevators are located on both ends of the building. Enter the large social room, complete with a big screen TV and sound system, card table, expansive bar and dining area, and billiards. Enjoy the high-end theater room for all your viewing pleasures. Work up a sweat at the state-of-the-art fitness center, which also includes a locker room and sauna. There's 2 luxurious guest suites available when extra room is needed. We've covered some awesome amenities, but the highlight of this luxury building is without a doubt the expansive pool and lounge area. Take rest and relaxation to the next level within the quiet serenity of peaceful fountains, tropical landscape, and all-day sun around this Olympic-sized pool. Optional golf, beach, and social memberships are available, which include access to 2 award-winning golf courses, tennis, and access to the Marriott Beach Club and Spa on Marco Island. When you're done enjoying the day's activity, head back to the pool to unwind. Let the warm waters of the hot tub soothe you into a life-is-good state of mind. The covered pool pavilion is the perfect place for parties and gatherings, complete with a bar and TV, as well as professional-grade gas grills. Aversana is a great place to be, whether you're a golfer, a nature lover, or just someone looking for a quiet piece of paradise. I hope you enjoyed today's flight. The MarcoIslandRealEstate.com team has helped make dreams come true for more than 400 satisfied clients, enjoying over $300 million in real estate. Please call our Eagle Eye team today at 239-394-2500 or click onto the links for more information.